All right, for the fourth time. All right, so I'm gonna explain it. The game is not shitty. I haven't been able to play it. It's it's the website that I got the button layout was wrong, so I kind of tweaked things out a little bit. Mm, you're just gonna have to read it, but just follow what I do in the game itself. So it took an hour to download Forza 4. Gonna click on play. Yes, I'm recording. I think I'm recording. I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. All right, it's gonna look like a picture. I thought I got juped, but I actually waited a minute, and then it actually popped up. But I mean, it seems to load faster now, like maybe 15 seconds max. So I'm still in the mouse mode. You can see me moving it. Do not change modes until you're in the game, because once you're in the game, you can't use the mouse because we're using forced Xbox 360 or Microsoft Store on PC. I guess it doesn't really apply on consoles because you're going to be using the other one, which is not forced. You're going to be using Acronis Max anyway. Or Time 2, your choice, doesn't matter. Whatever makes your controller work on the console. Now, I'm already here. I'm going to switch profiles to the Forza. And it's going to reboot. Give it 10 seconds. Don't touch it. 10, 8 seconds. Doesn't matter. Just wait till it's done. It looks done, but just to test, I'm going to sip it. And then let go. If it doesn't turn blue again, then it's good. And it works. Bottom right hand corner, you see the A. So, press A. Which is right center sip. On my profile. Oh, fuck. How do I go back?
Welcome to autumn, a new beginning for the festival that
Holy
never
shit.
ends. Don't go anywhere. Horizon is here to stay.
Alright, I push start. Hopefully I'm not banned. Alright, exit the desktop. Who do you think I is? Settings. Alright, controller settings. This is what we wanted, and I messed up. You're going to make your own custom profile, okay? So you're going to go all the way to the right. Past 16. You're going to customize it. I want you to switch camera with the horn, because who cares about the horn right now? Yeah, with RS, the horn is going to be... Oh, RS is right puff tapping it. The horn is going to be center puff soft. Beautiful. That's what I was missing in my profile. Activate is left sip. We're looking for shift up and shift down. I don't know if you need it in the game. I don't know if you can have it automatic or manual. But whatever you choose, you can play the game with. You don't need to use manual stuff. So this one's going to be lip. And it's beautiful. So pretty much triple puff goes in between the menu mode and the gameplay mode. If you want to control the camera, I'm assuming, I don't know how, use the side tube to go to the third mode. So that's pretty much it. This is all I want you to change. Shift down, the horn, and then the camera view. Everything else is perfect. Now you can save it with left sip. Oh. Holy crap, the e-brake is strong. Oh, it's gonna be a while to get used to it. I want to do like Need for Speed Rivals. How do I get turbo? Oh, that's tight. Soft brake, soft brake, soft brake. So right center sip is hard brake, but still going. And left center sip is regular brake and still going forward. Can I restart? This game has like rules. How do I restart? You can't. Take the loss. Take the loss. Live through it. How do I shift? It shifts by itself? Oh, then what was the whole point of shifting up and shifting down? You can rewind? I do it when I'm losing. Alright. That was practice, dude. I'm actually getting into this game, not gonna lie. But Need for Speed Rivals was pretty fun. It was like chasing away from like San Andreas. Dude, how is the graphics card only using 5%? What kind of BS is this? Can you click the Windows button and check if I'm actually using MSI Afterburner? Yes, I am. I am. That's all I want to see. Click the home button again. Alright, so center puff is tight. What the hell is this? I'm not gonna lie, the turning sucks. I'm having fun though. I think I have to let go of the brake. Nah, never give up, dude. Go strong. Glide your way to victory, dude. How do I go faster? Not crash. Okay, got it. That's what I'm talking about. Slide ahead of time. Oh, just like I used to do for Need for Speed. My first? Alright, I'm gonna switch the buttons around. Apparently you don't even use shift. That's some bull. That's like bullarchy. I can't even talk. Because I put lip on shifting down and like shifting up is right center puff. But if I don't need it, I can move it over to the left side, which is sucks. Is manual better than automatic? It doesn't seem like it these days. Dude, this is sick. This is sick. Oh, sweet. I got a piece of shit car. Let's go. What the heck am I doing? Damn these stoners. Get your colorful shit out of my face.
Did we just lose yellow?
Dude, I need to see the visuals more. I can't see the blue as much. No! I overthunk it. Ah. Damn, I hella messed up that one. Keep going. You can still catch up. Use the water for hydroplaning. Light turn, light turn. Oh, oh, it pauses for you? Dude, that's so cheating. Oh, take it.
Hey, Blue, thread the needle with me.
Tap the e-brake, don't hold it. Light e-brake. I said light. Ah, I was so close to getting first. Alright, let's go from here. Tap.
Red down, red down.
Looks like I'm the only one left.
Get out of my face! And did I win? No. Did I? That shit was like close. Alright, the thing I don't like is I toggled the acceleration. And I get confused if it's on or off. It should always be on though. I just gotta remember that.
Point yourself in the direction of horizon and put your foot down. First to the festival wins. So let's go.
If I want to reset it, center step and then center puff again. Dude, a sick ass car. Oh shit.
Don't sweat it. The Jets aren't in the race.
These motherfuckers bad. Uh oh. Keep it cool, keep it cool.
Oh yeah. Drivers coming from everywhere. Now it's a party. People are lining the streets to get a load of the action. Cheer these racers on, guys. Come on.
Damn it. That's what I want to do, but I want to do a smooth air. Oh, I'm a dummy. You can see the map, how sharp it is.
See a Centenario. Ferrari FXXK.
Get out of my way.
Bugatti Chiron. And is that a Vulcan?
That's a light turn, light turn.
Horizon, you do not want to miss out on watching this.
Get out of my... You know what? Is this burnout?
Someone's got to be handling that thing.
No. That's what I'm talking about. Cheating scum.
I can't breathe.
I lost. Doesn't matter. Warm up. It's not bad. But I wish it was like destroying elements. Like what I see on Reddit. I hit a piece of cement. I already do a somersault.